Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Logitech Zone wireless UC headset that you see here. Look at that. We're going to do an unboxing, so let's do it right now. So, looks like it has a sticker on the bottom here. I did not bring a knife handy. Try to use my nail, and it worked. It's usually what I do. Looks like it has instructions right here on the box. You see that? It's pretty fancy. Kind of good use. And you have your all-important USB dongle. Now, why this is important is A, to connect your headset to the computer, but B, this gives you optimization for, Microsoft Zoom, any of the business communications that Logitech is optimized for. You're going to get through the proprietary software that's on these dongles. What's kind of cool is it actually has a USB-C converter. I hadn't seen that on a wireless headset yet that I've done a review on. So you can just slip the dongle on there, and now you can plug it into USB-C. That's cool. And the way they package this is definitely clean looking. They present the product as you open it, which is always good. First impressions, this is kind of a gray color. I see this kind of wire / cloth material. Looks like that just gives it so the headband can expand and contract like that. It's kind of cool, neat little design. It has a microphone boom, which is I always think is better than the boomless mic, which just is the headsets without this noise canceling microphone. That just helps get the your voice closer to the microphone and gives you the best quality sound possible, so they can kind of isolate your voice. And looks like it has a carry bag. Something is inside here. It's a USB-C to USB-A cable. I'm assuming that's to charge the headset. And then you have your instructions. And that is it. Nothing else is inside there. Cool. So not too much here. This is a Bluetooth wireless headset that'll connect to your computer and also your mobile phone devices if you have it. Just so you know, give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away our products after we do an in-depth review, which is coming out very soon. So subscribe to our channel in order to be notified of that video when it comes out. We're also going to do a live microphone test, and we're going to try to do a wireless range test. That's my biggest gripe with Bluetooth headsets is typically when I use them, you get about 10 feet out the door and then it starts cutting out. So we'll see how this one stacks up as well. So be on the lookout for that video. But we do give away these products after we're done reviewing them. And we're doing all these reviews pretty much every week, multiple times a week. So go to headsetadvisor.com/giveaway, and we'll put a link up on the screen and in the description below. And you can win this product absolutely free. That's over $200 value. So that's a great opportunity for you. Just put in your email. We won't spam you, bother you. Just enter for a chance to win, which is cool. Other first impressions, the speakers don't rotate. For whatever reason, that kind of bothers me, but I'm sure. Let's see, put it on here. First thoughts of comfort. Feels lightweight, feels comfortable. It has active noise cancellation. Couple buttons on the side there. Overall, first impression is probably not the best looking, but it definitely feels cool, looks nice, really well put. So we're gonna do the in-depth review next, so stay tuned for that. That's all we got for now, and we'll see you next time.